Hello friends, welcome back to another episode of RM Cookbook, and today I'm going to share with you a very delicious recipe of naan bread. Naan bread, if you are not familiar with Asian bread type of things, naan bread I can say pretty much it's like Middle Eastern pita bread but slightly nicer. So I will show you what you need to prepare this. Over here I'm just having a half a cup of warm milk, just body temperature. To that just added a teaspoon of yeast, active yeast. So just put it aside for 10 minutes or 5 to 10 minutes so that yeast can just activate. And now we just measure out 420 grams of self-raising flour, and we're just going to make dough out of it. So we just pour in that 420 grams of flour into our food processor with dough blade, and just put 2 teaspoons of salt, 3 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, and then after 10 minutes later we just make a well inside the flour and pour in our milk and yeast mixture. So that's basically our wet and dry ingredient for now. Just give it a quick mix, and after that we'll be pouring in our 2 tablespoons of yogurt. Yogurt is necessary for naan bread, and we have to put yogurt. No water, as you realize. We just basically used milk rather than water, and then just scrape the sides, put it in, just give it a quick mix. And if you see that the dough is quite dry over here, the way you're seeing, it's not moist yet. So what we will do, we'll be just adding a bit of more warm milk. As you see, I'm just pouring it right from the side, and soon you will see the dough will form. And that's basically how you can make your dough for your naan bread. But obviously we have to put it aside so that the dough can have the chance to rise or double its size. So for that we take a glass bowl, oil the surface, and take our dough which we just made from our food processor, roll it around, just not kneading it, just shaping it into a ball shape, and put that dough into your oiled glass bowl, and also rub the surface of the dough with your brush or something so that the oiled surface is also on the top. This actually helps the dough to rise, and we will just put it aside in a warm place for just around slightly above room temperature warm place for 1 to 2 hours, and let the dough rise. And as you can see, after 2 hours later you have the dough double in size, and that your dough has risen, and we will be just using this dough to make our naan bread. But mind you, this dough is quite moist and sticky, so you need to sprinkle some flour on top of it so that you can handle it, and then chop it into 4 equal size pieces. Over here I'm just chopping it into 4 equal size pieces, roll it around, make it into ball shape, and from each ball we'll just make our naan bread. So take the first one, use your rolling pin to roll it into a triangular shape like the naan bread shape which you have seen in the shops or the restaurant, and then take your oven up to 250 degrees Celsius, highest temperature possible, and just put it in the oven for around 2 minutes. And 2 minutes later you will see that the surface will rise, as you see in the video over here. I just fast forwarded it, but it actually takes around 2 minutes at 250 degrees Celsius for the surface to rise. And as you see the top bit is browning, that's the time you stop. And what we will do now, we will just roll it around so that the other side gets the opportunity to become slightly golden brown. And that's basically it. This is how you essentially make your very delicious naan bread. It's soft and it is very flavorful because we have put yogurt into it, and also the salt and extra virgin olive oil gives that added flavor to this naan bread. Hope you try this recipe. Naan bread goes very nicely with roasted chicken or kebab. So hope you try this recipe of naan bread, and if you did like it, let us know with like, and also if you haven't subscribed to our channel, subscribe for more videos like this. So thank you very much. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video.